You need to watch this if you struggle with finding success in your daily routine. The kitchen isn't just a place to shove food in your face. It's a training ground. It's about discipline, creativity, and passion. Just like life itself, the kitchen demands your full attention. You think success is handed to you on a silver platter? Think again. You gotta earn it, just like a perfectly seared steak. It's about time you realize the kitchen is more than just a room. It's a mirror reflecting your potential. Are you a messy cook? Chances are, your life's a bit scrambled too. But get this, master the kitchen and you might just master yourself. This isn't some fluffy philosophy. This is real. The same skills you hone in the kitchen, discipline, creativity, mindfulness. They're your secret weapons out there in the real world. Sharpen them and you'll be unstoppable. Ready to transform yourself? Then get in the bloody kitchen and let's get cooking. First things first, discipline. Ever seen a successful person who's a complete mess? Neither have I. Same goes for the kitchen. You think a Michelin star chef got there by winging it? Bollocks. They got systems, they got precision, they got discipline pouring out of their ears. Mise en place, you hear me? That's French for everything in its place. Ingredients prepped, knives sharp, workspace clean. Control the chaos before it controls you. That's discipline, and it's the backbone of any good dish and any successful life. Think about it. Deadlines at work, family commitments, it's all the same. Discipline in the kitchen translates to discipline in life. You start hitting those deadlines like you hit that perfect sear on a salmon fillet. So ditch the winging it mentality. Embrace the discipline. You'll thank me later. Now, let's talk creativity. Some people, they think cooking is just following recipes. Those people, they're bloody idiots. A recipe is a guide, a starting point. The real magic happens when you start experimenting. Don't be afraid to try new things. Swap out ingredients, play with spices, create your own flavor combinations. You'll make mistakes, sure, but you'll also discover new favorites, new techniques, new ways to express yourself through food. And that's the key, isn't it? Creativity isn't just about the kitchen. It's about bringing that same fearlessness into every aspect of your life. Trying new things, thinking outside the box. That's how you unlock your true potential. So go on, get creative. Turn that boring chicken breast into a culinary masterpiece. You never know what you might discover. Now, for the love of all things holy, pay attention. Mindfulness isn't just for yogis and monks. It's for anyone who wants to truly experience life, one bite at a time. When you cook, really cook, you're engaged with all your senses. The sizzle of garlic and hot oil, the aroma of fresh herbs, the vibrant colors of vegetables, the feel of dough between your fingers. You're not just going through the motions, you're present. And that's the gift of mindfulness, isn't it? To be fully present in each moment, appreciating the simple act of creating something delicious. And guess what? That same mindfulness can transform your entire life. Stressed at work? Take a breath, focus on the task at hand. Feeling overwhelmed? Take a moment to appreciate the little things. Mindfulness, just like cooking, is about savoring the journey, not just rushing to the destination. A dash of inspiration. Cooking up a better you. We all need a bit of inspiration sometimes, don't we? The kitchen is overflowing with it. Julia Child didn't start cooking until she was almost 40. She embraced her passion and became an icon. Anthony Bourdain showed us food is a window into different cultures. These legends teach us to pursue our passions and embrace the power of food. Find your passion, embrace the challenge, and never give up. From kitchen to corner office. Success stories. Skills learned in the kitchen can lead to incredible success. Take my friend, a former line cook turned CEO. He runs his company with the same precision and discipline. Or the entrepreneur who credits her success to creativity and problem solving. Countless individuals have transformed their lives by applying cooking principles. Dedication, creativity, and mindfulness from cooking can build a successful life. It's not just dinner, it's a metaphor. Life lessons on a plate. Every dish, every ingredient, every technique, it's a bloody metaphor for life. Take a simple stock, for example. Hours of simmering, skimming, reducing. Sounds a lot like patience and perseverance, wouldn't you say? Or how about a perfectly baked loaf of bread? The rising dough, the golden crust, the soft, airy interior. It's about transformation, about taking simple ingredients and turning them into something extraordinary. And don't even get me started on the importance of balance. Too much salt, too much sugar, it'll ruin the entire dish. Same goes for life, doesn't it? You need a balance of work and play, of discipline and indulgence. So pay attention, you lot. The kitchen is full of life lessons if you just open your eyes and your mind to see them. The kitchen, your training ground. Skills for a life well lived. Look, I'm not saying you need to become a Michelin star chef to conquer the world, but the skills you learn in the kitchen, they're transferable, they're valuable, and they can bloody well change your life. Take time management, for example. Ever tried juggling multiple dishes at once? That's a masterclass in time management right there. Or how about problem solving? Burnt your sauce? Undercooked your chicken? You need to think fast and find a solution. And let's not forget about communication. A well-run kitchen relies on clear communication between everyone involved. From the head chef to the dishwasher, everyone has a role to play. Sounds a lot like teamwork, doesn't it? The kitchen is a crash course in essential life skills. And the best part? You get to eat your homework. More than a meal. Nourishing body and soul. At the end of the day, cooking is about more than just filling your stomach. It's about nourishing your soul, connecting with loved ones, and creating something truly special. Think about it. What's better than gathering around a table with family and friends, sharing a delicious meal, and creating memories that will last a lifetime? Food has the power to bring people together, to spark conversations, and to create a sense of community. And let's not forget about the personal satisfaction of creating something with your own two hands. The pride of serving a dish you poured your heart into. The joy of watching loved ones savor each bite. That's the magic of cooking. So yes, cooking is about nourishing the body, but it's also about feeding the soul, fueling relationships, and creating moments of pure joy. Fire up your dreams. The kitchen is calling. So there you have it. The kitchen, my friends, is more than just a place to cook. It's a training ground for life, a source of inspiration, and a space where ordinary ingredients are transformed into extraordinary experiences. Now, get off your arse and get cooking. Embrace the discipline, unleash your creativity, and savor every moment. You never know what culinary masterpieces you might create, both in the kitchen and in your life. The kitchen is waiting. Are you up for the challenge?